How to add others' story to my story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the Instagram application on your device. You can go through that by Play Store. After that, just open up your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, to add the other story to your story on Instagram, what you have to do is you just need to make sure that you are mentioned in that story, because without mentioning yourself, or if someone does not mention you on the story, you will not be able to add other story. So if you are mentioned in another story or the person's story, then what you can see is a notification over here in the DM as well. So just go to the DM section and then you can see the option of the person who has mentioned you in the story. So just tap on it and you can see the option of add to your story. So just tap on add to your story. And here you can just reply, or you can add text, or you can add any kind of stickers of you. And you can reply it via this. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.